operating in a safe environment is really one of the keys to thriving in life. And that goes from everything from a physically safe environment, making sure you're drinking and eating clean water and food, to actually having emotionally safe environments. Google actually did some research on this over a 5 or 6 year period, where they were looking at what was one of the key factors, what was the differentiating factor that caused some teams to thrive and others not to. And the discovery they made, which was backed up by the science, was actually the teams that were psychologically healthy, meaning they weren't run by jerks. Those are the teams that thrive. And it's not that you can't have standards and discipline and correct people, but you have to make it safe for them to make mistakes, to be human beings. So as you're looking at your own operating environments, look at where you're safe. Find places you're safe if you're not. If you're in emotionally abusive relationships, maybe consider a change. If you're the emotional abuser, maybe consider some therapy. We can change our environments, either by changing ourselves, changing the physical structures, or changing the people we interact with. And if you want to thrive, look to eliminating that kind of chaos in your life. I'm Kevin Cotter. This is Rebuild Stronger. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, follow, or send me a DM depending on the platform you're watching this on. Let's keep the conversation going.